Best Ultralight Backpacking Gear 2024. When it comes to exploring the outdoors, especially on long backpacking trips, every ounce counts. Packing light not only spares you from aching shoulders, but also allows you to cover more ground with ease, freeing up your energy for moments of awe-inspiring scenery and discovery. The world of ultralight backpacking gear has some amazing innovations, making it possible to stay comfortable and prepared without carrying excess weight. This year's lineup includes some of the lightest, most effective tools that are compact enough to fit into the tightest of backpacks, while still delivering big on comfort and convenience. Whether you're setting up camp for a week or just taking a short day hike, having the right gear can make all the difference in creating a stress-free adventure. Trekology Alof 2.0 Camping Pillow. A good night's sleep can make or break a backpacking trip, and the Trekology Alof 2.0 Camping Pillow is designed with that very goal in mind. This camping pillow is crafted to provide the comfort and support of a full-size pillow, but in an incredibly compact ultralight form. Made with durable, water-resistant materials, it's rugged enough to withstand outdoor elements, while its ergonomic design perfectly supports your head and neck. The pillow inflates in just a few breaths, making setup effortless, and it deflates just as easily, rolling down to fit comfortably into even the smallest pockets of your backpack. Its non-slip backing ensures it stays put throughout the night, so you don't wake up with your pillow lost in the tent or worse, outside in the elements. The Trekology Alof 2.0 doesn't just offer comfort, it offers a sense of luxury that can make you forget you're out in the wilderness. Hammaka Pammock Sleeping Pad. When it comes to comfort and insulation in the backcountry, the Hammaka Pammock Sleeping Pad is a top choice for any backpacker in 2024. This sleeping pad is designed to offer a comfortable surface while still being incredibly lightweight and portable. The pad is engineered with special foam and air cell technology that not only provides cushioning, but also insulates you from the cold ground, making it ideal for cooler nights. The air cells create a barrier between you and the ground, which helps retain your body heat, so you stay warm and cozy even in chilly temperatures. Setup is easy and quick, and the pad rolls up compactly, fitting effortlessly into your backpack. Catron Camping Lantern 1000 LM. Having reliable lighting in the backcountry is crucial, and the Catron Camping Lantern 1000 LM provides just that without adding extra weight. This lantern is compact yet powerful, offering up to 1000 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough to light up a campsite or provide visibility on a night hike. The lantern features multiple brightness settings, so you can conserve battery when you don't need full brightness, while its rechargeable battery ensures you won't be constantly replacing batteries on longer trips. Its portability and lightweight design mean you can easily stow it in your backpack without noticing the weight. Whether you're setting up camp in the dark or simply want a cozy ambience around your tent, this lantern delivers on functionality without the bulk. VKIN Titanium Percolator Coffee Maker Pot. For those who need a good cup of coffee to start their day, the VKIN Titanium Percolator Coffee Maker Pot is a true game changer. Made from ultralight titanium, this coffee maker is not only incredibly durable, but also extremely lightweight, perfect for backpackers who crave a quality brew without the burden of a bulky coffee pot. The percolator design allows you to brew a fresh, strong cup of coffee right over your campfire or portable stove, bringing a taste of luxury to your outdoor mornings. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, and the titanium construction ensures that it won't add unnecessary weight to your load. Skyper Small Daypack 10 Liters Hiking Backpack. The Skyper Small Daypack 10 Liters hiking backpack is perfect for quick day hikes when you don't need to carry a full load but still want something reliable to hold your essentials. This daypack is designed to be compact, lightweight, and highly durable, making it the ideal choice for ultralight backpacking enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity. Its 10 liters capacity provides ample space for necessities like snacks, water, a rain jacket, and small gear, while the design allows it to pack down small when not in use. Despite its size, the Daypack is sturdy and built to handle rugged trails, making it a versatile addition to your backpacking arsenal. Black Diamond Equipment Cosmo 350R headlamp. Lighting is essential for any backpacking trip, especially if you find yourself navigating trails or setting up camp after dark. The Black Diamond Equipment Cosmo 350R headlamp brings the reliability and brightness you need in a lightweight, compact design perfect for ultralight backpacking. This headlamp delivers up to 350 lumens of brightness, casting a wide, clear beam to illuminate trails, campsites, and everything in between. It features multiple lighting modes, including proximity and distance settings, allowing you to customize the light output to suit different situations. One of the most convenient features is the red night vision mode, which preserves night vision and keeps you from disturbing others around you. Nemo Equipment Switchback Foam Sleeping Pad. Comfort doesn't have to come at the cost of weight, and the Nemo Equipment Switchback Foam Sleeping Pad is proof of that. This ultralight, durable sleeping pad is crafted from closed-cell foam, offering both insulation and cushioning without adding much weight. The design features a unique dimpled pattern that creates pockets of air for extra insulation and comfort, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions. Unlike inflatable pads that may be prone to punctures, the Switchback is exceptionally rugged and doesn't require any inflating, making setup as simple as unrolling it. For ultralight backpackers, this pad strikes the perfect balance between weight savings and a comfortable night's sleep. BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus. When you're off the grid, staying powered up is a challenge, but the BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus makes it easy and eco-friendly. This lightweight solar panel is designed to harness the power of the sun, providing a sustainable way to charge your devices like phones, GPS units, and rechargeable headlamps. It features a built-in 3,200 mAh battery, allowing you to store solar energy during the day and use it when you need it, even at night. With its compact and foldable design, the BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus is easy to attach to your backpack, harnessing energy as you hike and ensuring that you always have a power source at hand. Pyro Campfire Plus Grill Portable Fire Pit. Nothing brings warmth and atmosphere to a campsite quite like a campfire, and the Pyro Campfire Plus Grill Portable Fire Pit makes setting one up easier and more portable than ever. This fire pit is designed for backpackers who want the ambience and utility of a campfire without leaving a trace on the environment. The lightweight collapsible frame allows it to be packed down to a compact size, making it easy to carry along in your backpack. It also doubles as a grill, providing a convenient cooking surface so you can prepare meals directly over the fire, which is perfect for those who enjoy a hot meal under the stars. LifeStraw GoH Series Water Filter Bottle. Staying hydrated on the trail is essential, but carrying liters of water can add significant weight to your pack. The LifeStraw GoH Series Water Filter Bottle offers a brilliant solution, allowing you to collect and filter water from natural sources like streams and lakes along your journey. This lightweight bottle features a built-in filter that removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, making almost any water source safe to drink. The durable design includes a sturdy, BPA-free plastic bottle and an advanced filter system, so you can simply fill it up, sip, and go without worrying about contaminants.